Welcome to Vendor App, your all-in-one platform for managing your store. Let's walk you through the essential features and steps to get you started. To begin, tap on the Sign Up as a Store button. You'll need to provide some key details to set up your store profile. First, enter your store name in English. Next, select the type of store you're operating by using the drop-down menu. After that, choose your store's location by either selecting a zone from the drop-down or using the search function on the map below. Now, let's move on to setting up your tax information. Enter the VAT or tax percentage that your store charges customers. This is crucial for ensuring accurate billing. Once done, set your estimated delivery time to inform customers how long it will take to receive their orders. Don't forget to save your settings. Next, it's time to personalize your store's appearance. Upload your store's logo and cover photo in their respective fields. This helps to build brand identity and makes your store recognizable to customers. We also need to gather some contact information. Enter the first and last name of the person who will be the primary contact for the store. Then, select the Ethiopian country code, which is +251, and enter your phone number. Provide a valid email address, as this will be used for all communications related to your store. For security, create a strong password. You can view the password by clicking on the eye icon if needed. To ensure there are no mistakes, re-enter the password in the confirmation box. Finally, when all the information is filled out correctly, click the Submit button at the bottom of the form. Upon submission, the system will generate an application number, which will appear in green. Keep this number handy, as our customer service team will contact you once your application has been reviewed and approved. After your application is approved, you can log in using the email address and password you provided during the sign-up process. Once logged in, you'll land on the home page. Here, you can manage your store efficiently. By tapping on the notification icon, you'll be able to view all the latest notifications concerning your store. There's also a handy feature to manage your store's availability. You can open or close your store with a simple toggle button. When your store is open, the button will be shaded red, and when closed, it will appear gray. This visual cue helps you quickly know the status of your store. To add a new item, start by navigating to the Item section. Here, select Add Item to begin. You'll be prompted to fill in the item's name and a brief description. Once you've done that, click Next to proceed. Enter the item's price the following step. If you're offering a discount, you can specify the discount amount, or simply set it to 0 if there's no discount. Then, choose the appropriate category and subcategory for the item. If the item has any specific attributes, you can fill those in, but this step is optional. Make sure to specify the total stock available for the item to keep your inventory accurate. Adding a clear and attractive image of the item is crucial, so be sure to upload one in the image section. Before finalizing, take a moment to review all the information you've entered. If everything looks good, click the Submit button to add the item to your store. When an order is placed, you can track and manage it with ease. Start by viewing orders in the Pending section. Here, you'll see details such as the order ID, booking date and time, and the number of items ordered. To get more details, click on the order. You'll find the customer's name, address, and even directions to their location, all accessible by clicking the arrow to view the map. Additionally, you'll see item prices, any discounts applied, VAT, and the total amount due. If you need to cancel the order, this can be done, though it's generally rare. A confirmation step will ask if you're sure before proceeding with the cancellation. On the other hand, if you're ready to confirm the order, you can do so with a simple click, and the order will move to the confirmed list. For orders that are confirmed and ready for processing, you'll review the order details one last time. If everything is correct, the order can proceed to the next step by swiping to confirm. When the item is ready for delivery, a final swipe will move the order to the delivery stage. Once the customer has paid, you can mark the order as complete by clicking on Collect Money. This final step closes out the order, and it's now marked as finished. To keep track of all your past orders, simply click on the button next to the home page to access your order history. You can view all orders received, filter by delivered or refunded orders, and even generate reports for today, this week, and this month. For detailed information on any specific order, just select it from the list. Under Settings, you can manage various aspects of your store, edit your store name, update the store address, and change your logo as needed. Note that the business email and registered phone number cannot be changed once set. Your owner profile holds the first and last name of the store owner, along with their contact information. Other options and settings include viewing categories and subcategories, adding or updating bank account information, and checking reviews for items. You can also select your preferred language, read the terms and conditions, and manage notifications. If you ever need to change your password, this can be done quickly by entering a new one and confirming it. Additionally, you can log out of the app or, if necessary, permanently delete your account from this section.